In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airbnb in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the connection process inside your Gohighlevel account so you can link Airbnb through the reputation settings area. This is a simple setup, but it helps to know exactly where each option is located so you can move through it smoothly without getting lost in the menu. To begin, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct location or sub-account where you want the Airbnb connection to be added. Since integrations are often location specific, it's a good idea to double check that you're working in the right account before you continue. Once you're in Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where the main navigation menu appears. From that menu, click on Reputation. This section is where Gohighlevel manages review-related tools and platform connections that support your online reputation workflow. After opening Reputation, move to the top menu and click on Settings. This takes you into the configuration area for reputation management, where you can adjust platform connections and related options. Next, look again to the left-hand side within the settings area and click on integrations. This will open the list of platforms that can be connected. If you're not seeing Airbnb immediately, take a moment to scan the available options carefully. Now look for Airbnb in the integrations list. Once you find it, click on Connect Account. This starts the linking process and opens the next prompt for the Airbnb connection. From there, click on Connect Airbnb Account. This is the final action that launches the account authorization flow. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign into Airbnb and approve the connection. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the authorization. As a quick tip, if the connection window doesn't appear right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the process. It's also helpful to refresh the page after connecting, just to confirm the integration has been applied successfully. And that's it. Once the Airbnb account is connected, Gohighlevel should be able to use that integration within your reputation settings. If you run into any issues, go back through the same path and confirm each selection was made in the correct section. Thanks for watching, and that's how to connect Airbnb in Gohighlevel.